It's always a pleasure to be here, and I always like to say this that we are amongst friends, and many of you who would know me, I grew up in Dubai, and in the 80s when it was the desert, it was the vision of the leaders of the nation who thought that it's going to be one of the most modern countries in the world, and they made everyone dream the same who was living in Dubai during that time. And I think round of applause for Dubai first, for how in the post-COVID times, maybe this is the first nation to overcome the COVID-19 to this level that they are hosting the world's biggest expo as the Dubai Expo. And I also urge all of you to visit the expo. Ladies and gentlemen, COVID-19 has been difficult, for all of us, for all over the world. And the exciting thing is that, we gave this award to Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar. I think we have a message for him a little later. And, I actually had the opportunity of meeting him. And I met Gurudev and, he saw some of our magazines, Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar. And, he said that, we are doing similar things. He said that I'm motivating people to live and you are motivating people in their businesses, and henceforth, you must do some awards with COVID-19. And, honestly, ladies and gentlemen, that's what prompted us. And COVID-19 Commitment Awards are going to be the theme today, with obviously the other categories that we always do. And ladies and gentlemen, the most exciting thing today is that, we've been holding this summit from 2014 onwards in Dubai every year. And we also hold it in Mumbai, Singapore, and Thailand. And it's all about all of you as leaders participating with us, getting featured with us. And I'm also pleased to tell you the Asia One magazine now is running a television series which goes out to 79 countries and 39 million audiences, which is called The Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East, and Africa. So it's an honor to have all of you here. Let me also welcome His Excellencies, from different countries here. Your Excellencies from the country of Philippines, Sierra Leone, Moldova, many other countries you are here. And it's a pleasure to have you from the country of Peru, Sri Lanka. And I believe CG Dr. Amanpuri is also on the way. I think he'll join us in 2-3 minutes. And ladies and gentlemen, our Emirati friends, Dr. Bu Abdullah, Mr. Omer from the Ministry of Economy. It's a pleasure to have all of you here. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you so much for making us feel that Dubai is our home as well. The UAE is our home as well. Thank you so much. And many of my mentors are here. I've looked up to them throughout when I've been in this region. Mr. Avi Bhojani, it's a pleasure to have you here, sir. Pleasure always to host you. Mr. Rizwan Sajan, the Danube Group. It's so wonderful to have you here. Pleasure to have you. Gulshan Groverji is here. Gulshan Groverji is part of the Indian cinema. I think over 400 films he's featured in. And I believe his son is doing so well today, Sanjay Grover. And he's a film producer as well. And I think a couple of things coming out on OTT soon. And I was telling Gulshan ji that, I never wanted to be Anil Kapoor or I never wanted to be Rajesh Khanna ji. I wanted to be Gulshan Grover, the bad man. Because in the real life, I know he's a very good man. So thank you so much. Pleasure. Sudesh Agarwalji, pleasure to have you here always. Ryan Pinto, my friend. Dr. Shafi Mulk and Mrs. Mulk, pleasure to have you here. Dr. Surinder Kandhari, Madam Mrs. Kandhari, it's a pleasure. They run the Gurdwara here. He's such a humble man and such a big achievement he's done over the years here. It's phenomenal. And before we commence, ladies and gentlemen, let me talk about our presenting partner, Darwin Platform Group of Companies. And, it's not a partner. Ajay Harinath Singh is my friend. And unfortunately, he's not here today. He was busy with something else that came up. But, DPGC is going to make a presentation later on what they do and everything. And they do a lot. So I'm not going to get into that. But, Ajay and I, when we always sit and talk, our passion is how do we do nation building? And especially all of us sitting here, need to think how do we do nation building? How do we make India's greatest brands? How do we make Asia's greatest brands? How do we make the Middle East greatest brands? Because when I was growing up, and you would think of the world's greatest brands and leaders, subconsciously, you would start thinking of the American and the European brands. Nobody was talking about the Asian brands. And you see that Asia, Middle East, Africa even, is the biggest consumer market for all brands across the world. So that's the vision, that's the passion that we would like this evening to begin with. And let the awards begin. Thank you so much. Pleasure to have all of you here.